Hello, and welcome to another update about gold. And we want to start you on the larger time frame. We are likely in the late stages of this third wave here. Of this third wave that started in October 23. So this was a wave 2 low within a larger wave 5. This is now the third wave, which is the reason why I was bullish over the last couple of years. From the moment on when the price bottomed here in circle wave 4. So if you follow us on this channel, then you know that the forecast for gold was clearly bullish throughout. And we're now getting sort of close to those long-term targets around $3,000, $3,600. It doesn't look finished yet to the upside, so I think another 4-5 pattern seems likely on this chart, which would be wave 4 here with support between round about $2,600 to $2,200 roughly. That can still change. I mean, until we really get a top. The gold market is going crazy right now. I don't think it's a sustainable bull market. I have to say that. We talked about that in yesterday's video on the MCO Global channel, or our main channel, where I talked about the gold-silver ratio. Also, a few days ago, I made a video about really the long-term chart in detail. So check it out. The link to the channel is in the video description. Specifically, well, today's video actually about silver and gold could interest you as well. So check it out. This channel is more for in-depth analysis, whereas here on More Trading Online, it's more about those rapid updates, intraday updates, and so on. But what I wanted to share with you, this third wave is likely going to reach the area between 3,024 and 3,336, then another 4, then another 5. And when this wave 3 stretches higher, the support area should go up with the price. It can only really locked on the chart once a top is in the third wave. Now, let's take a look at the smaller time frame. And let me just change the wave degree of this third wave, or it might get confusing. Just need to pick the right one. Hold on, yeah. So yeah, that's the idea. This is the third wave we just saw on the larger time frame here. Yeah, it's just zoomed in. And within this third wave, I've got two scenarios, and I'm starting to lean towards the yellow count, which is that this third wave is going to be completed in a very direct fashion. And these are the two scenarios we talked about in the last video anyway, and I highlighted that a top is, well, let's say a pullback is due, rather like a pullback is due in this wave 4, yeah, with support between 2,782 and 2,852. So that's in the yellow count here, a top of an internal third wave. To really complete the larger third wave, in the yellow count, all we need is waves 1, 2 already done, third wave probably done, fourth wave ideally a little larger, and then a fifth wave. And then I already talked about those targets, right? Just have them shown. I'm showing them here on the larger time frame, 3,024 to 3,336. But the thing is, we had a dip, slight break below the first signal line, and now an immediate recovery. I mean, this already starts to look a little bit more bullish than a B wave, okay? So the question is now, was this already the wave 4? It's possible. It would have been very, very shallow. So it's going to be a bit tricky. Certainly, wave 3 in yellow there is full. I mean, it doesn't need to go any higher. I will need to take a look at the chart in detail in the next couple of days. We need to get some more price action. I'm starting to feel that this is not yet the wave 4. Okay, it does look a little bit too bullish unless we really see an immediate move down now in wave C of 4. But overall, I am looking for higher prices as long as we're holding above this 2,782 level. Sometimes pullbacks are short, especially when the environment is very bullish, which I explained in detail in the last videos where we also covered the fundamentals about gold and why we currently see this rapid move to the upside, which is supported by fundamentals, short term at least, and the Elliott wave pattern. Okay, so it's kind of get the right sentiment that meets the right circumstances. Yeah, I mean, again, if we break above the last high, which formed at 2009.67, I would consider that wave 4 has already bottomed, right? So this would get clearer if in the next pullback the price forms a higher low. Yeah. So it's going to be the next pullback that will likely tell us the truth. If it's going to be a higher low, then and we're holding obviously above the intraday low at 2,887, then this might have been really a short wave for. And again, the white count here with a deeper P wave is currently not preferred. Maybe we won't see a deeper pullback until this larger third is done, and then the larger fourth wave starts. That could take several months, this correction. It would likely be in line with the wave 2, which happened between April 23 and October 23, so it could take a few months before we get a final rally, maybe into the end of the year. That's currently my best view about the gold chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out these stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.